This lasagna soup is gonna have you dancing in your kitchen. Keep watching for the full video.
Oh, that tastes so good.
She just wanna kick her feet up, get a mani petty at the same time, yeah. Rock and roll with slippers every day of the week, vacation every day, repeat. She just wanna soft life, yeah. She just wanna soft life, yeah, yeah.
I am so thankful, so grateful for you guys. Anybody who's watching, look at that. Ah, we be shining. So if you're watching this, please give me some ideas that you guys would actually watch and like to see. I appreciate it. Thank you. The lasagna noodles, Parmigiano tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, heavy cream, ricotta cheese, some garlic. We use minced garlic in this house. Some Italian blend cheese, an onion. I'm probably gonna use half of this. The beef, 1.5 pounds, 1.6 pounds. So we're gonna put some of this. I can't believe it's not butter. In the bin. First things first, wash those crusty, dusty hands. Then you're gonna go ahead and cut up your onion. Add that onion to your olive oil, your butter, whatever you got in the pan, and then add your garlic in. And then after that, you're gonna add in your ground beef. Make sure it's nice and brown. Grind it up really, really minced like. And then you're gonna let that cook. Add in your tomato paste to give it that nice red color. And then you're gonna want to add in all your seasonings to make it look and taste amazing. As you see on the screen, I'm not gonna go through that. And then afterwards, you're going to add in your lasagna noodles. When you break this up, please be aware it does hurt and they can fly everywhere, so make sure you watch your eyes. I'll add in more water if you need to, and make sure you stir it because it does get stuck at the bottom. And then we're gonna go ahead and wash and then cool my face off because I was hot. Let it cook until the noodles are soft. Oh, that looks good. And then I ended up cutting up the noodles because it was a little too big for me, so I just wanted a little bit smaller. Then we're gonna add our cheese mixture. It consists of those ingredients on the screen. We're gonna put that in the soup like that. And then we're gonna mix it and add some more heavy cream.
Oh, my mouth is watering.
Girl, it was good.
So good.
That's what it looks like.
I have some noodle. I got some beef.
What does it taste like? Go ahead and taste it. What does that taste like? Yeah, girl. In heaven. Yeah. I had to go in for another bite. It was just that good.
Wow, it tastes so good.
And then we went in and just cleaned up the kitchen a little bit. Last but not least, make it look pretty. Add that cheese blend, add some seasonings, make it look nice so your boyfriend will marry you at the end of the day. But that's what it looks like. Boom, bang, biggity. Hope you enjoyed.
Every day repeat. She just wanna soft life, yeah. She just wanna soft life, yeah, yeah.